everyone! Today we're going to practice our sounds. In my box I've got 3 different sounds. Can you help me to see what they are? Our first sound is the sound P. Can you do it? P, P, for Paisley. P. Right, let's see what I've got in my box. Ooh, it's a bird. It's a bird that starts with the sound P. A black and white bird that lives where it's really cold. And he waddles like this. Do you know what it is? It's a penguin. Can you say penguin? That starts with the sound P. Penguin. Our next sound is S. S for Sophia. S for Sarah. Okay, what have I got in my box? It's a tool that starts with the sound S. A tool that we use for cutting. What could it be? That's right, it's some scissors. Scissors, you say it. Scissors. Well done. And our last sound is the sound B for Brody. You do it. B. Brody. What have I got in my box? Ooh. It's something that is a sphere shape. Something that is a sphere shape that you can bounce. That's right. It's a ball. Ball. You do it. Ball. Ball. Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a clap.